Now today let's start with chapter number 8, looping statement in QB6 loop. So I will tell you about what are loop. A loop is created in a program for performing repeated work. The loops है वो allow करता है group of statements to be executed repeatedly until a certain condition is fulfilled. So QBasic offers the following three types of loop statement: for next, while, do loop. And do loop, it is do until loop or do while loop. Two types of loops are there in do loop, until and while. So the dots shown in these loops denote the statement constituting the body of the loop. These are the statement which is meant to be repeatedly executed till the condition is true. So each loop works in slightly different way and is useful in different situations. So for next loop, using a large number of counter variables make it very large and difficult to comprehend. This problem can be solved by using for next loop, which can be used when a set of instruction has to be executed. Right? First is syntax: for control variable is equals to initial value to final value. Next control, example है program to add 10 numbers. So RAM calculate addition of 10 numbers. So what we will do the sum of 10 number from 1 to 10, input n, sum plus n, next one, print sum and n. So like this, the steps for executing for next statements are: first is a control variable is taken which is given with the starting and final. The difference between these two values in a number of time loop will execute. Step 2, set of instruction between for next statement are executed. Value of the control variable is increased by 1 and control is shifted back to the for by next. The value of the control variable is now checked against the final value and loop is continued only if it is less than final value. Now example 2 is program to print the table of 27 till 5. मतलब 5 तक table इतना है 27 का. Now program to display name 12 times on the output screen. Now program to print many address label as specified by user. Input enter your name, input enter house address, print 102, print tab 40, print tab C, B40, print C tab 40. For next step, what you will do, you will program to print the first 10 even numbers. CLSS for I is equals to 2 to 20 step, print I, next I and N. Program to print number between 35 and 5. N is equals to 35 to 5, step 7, print N and hand. Right? Now nested for next. So using one for next statement inside another for next statement is called nested for next. The for next which encloses second for next is called outer loop. और जो inside one है उसको हम inner loop कहते हैं. So now we have some rules executing nested for next statement, that is the maximum number of loops within a loop can be none. Control variable must be different और जो first innermost loop है उसको आपको execute करना है. Like program है to show use nested. Example for j is equals to 105, I is equals to 1 is equals to n. Print I, next I, print j, next j and enter. Now same table is given to you, you will note it. Now while when statement. So we often need to execute some instruction repeatedly until condition become false. We can use while and loop while tells the number of time loop should be executed. While condition statement, program to depict the use of while, CLS x equals 30 greater than 50, print x plus 2, when and add. Now we have do loop. We have two types of do loop. Do loop, do while, do until. First is do while. It is executed till the specific condition is true. In this loop, the first entry to the loop is free and condition is checked after executing it. Like do statement, loop while condition is there. Program to show the use of do while loop. So CLS x equals 20, do print x plus 1 loop while greater than 25. Now do until loop. This loop is very similar to the do while loop and the only difference is that loop continues until the condition specified becomes false. Example है program to display do until statement. Now go sub return statement. Go sub instruction can be used to jump directly to the some place in the program. So labels to create position to which jump has to be made from execution should continue. In same as go to, other than the return statement is written, control return to goes of instruction is given key. Next आपको example दिया है, program to show the use of goes of return statement. So CLS for I is equals to 1 to 10, print please, goes of A, goes of B and A, print system, return, print disk, return, next I and N. Now we have play statement. So this command can be used to play musical notes in QB64. One note at a time can be played using various string character, both uppercase and lowercase. Alphabetic character का हम use करेंगे. The syntax consists of play statement followed by string of notes in value. Syntax है आपका play command string, programs to play musical notes, CLS, play, CG, DB, end. यहाँ पे आपको दूसरा command दिया हुआ है. You can read. Example is also given. Now beep statement. So we can also play in QB64 using beep statement. This statement plays beep sound through the speaker attached to the computer. The speaker आके the computer में attach है, उसमें सुनाई देता है. Now program to hear beep sound. First is CLS input press enter to hear a beep. आप enter press करोगे और आपको beep सुनाई देगी. CLS beep print CHR$7, right? CLS for 1, I is equals to 1 to 5, B, next time, and B. These are the different programs that we use in QB64, right? This is all about in this chapter. Let's move to the exercise now. I will do the exercise of this chapter now. Now, let's start with the take the correct option. Specifying is not a compulsory in for next. In. The variable used to specify number of times of loop is executed is, that is for. Dash give the control of while, that is when. Music can be played by using the instruction play music, yeah, both A and B. Dash increment control the variable and send to the control back to for, that is next. Now fill in the blanks. Now dash is used if we want to repeat a set of command a fixed number of times in a program. So for next loop. Dash variable is used to specify how many times a loop is executed. Step. ASCCI character dash plays a beep sound when printed. System. A dash statement is used to print or increase or decrease the value of control variable. In the for next loop, control variable is assigned as starting. And ending value. In the next loop, in a dash loop, first entry of the loop is free executive. Now write T for true and F for false statement. We prefer not to use looping in our program because they increase our program. It's false. We can use only one control variable in 3 nested loop, it false. Wend is used for a for clause. Wend का हम use करते हैं for clause के लिए false. There cannot be more than 9 nested loop with one loop. It's false. The value of step should never be made negative to avoid indefinite loop. It's true. Goes of exception can be used to jump directly to some cases in the program. It's true. Now question answers. What do you understand by looping? Explain with an example. What is for next loop and why it is used? Why is step statement used in for next? Give example. What is nested loop? Explain with the example. Explain the function. आपको function बताना है go sub statement. And how के step और ये go to से कैसे different है? And what is the use of play and beat statement in QB64? Right? This is all about in this chapter. We have completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.